My mother loved Paris. At least that's what she always said. From the photographs and from the small things that they once in a while said, life must have been very joyous and jubilant. They were young. How old were they? In their 20s, late 20s. There are pictures of my mother in masquerade costumes and traveling around with friends and with all kinds of people. So I guess that their life was just what any young people would expect to have done in their youthful, early life with no real responsibilities. As the 1930s wore on, after they were married and I was born, the Jewish situation in Europe became more problematical and more dangerous all along. My father, having an understanding of what's going on, what went on in the world at the time, being less romantic than my mother, who really didn't have too much knowledge or comprehension. Life was just joyous at the time. Was extremely worried about the future of European Jewry, himself too. And finally, with the 1938 Kristallnacht, decided that was it for European Jewry. And decided that they had to go away, they had to leave, because God knows what would happen. Jews were being put into concentration camps and surrounded, and rights being deprived in Germany, and threats being made to other countries around the world. And the world not standing up to Hitler at the time. And let's say goodbye. My mother, she tells me, it was very, very sad. She says, "Oh, it'll all blow over, it'll all be gone, we'll all be okay." No, Father insisted coming to New York.